In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Microsoft Defender on your Windows computer or laptop. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, Microsoft Defender is one of the best antivirus or software defense program that you can use on your Windows computer. To get it, go ahead and open any browser and then just search for Microsoft Defender like that, and then hit on enter, and it will take you to the official Microsoft website where you can see Microsoft Defender for individual. Go ahead and click on this, and here you can see we have the app that you can download on our Windows computer. Go ahead and click on download app, and this will prompt you to go ahead and open or get it from the Microsoft Store. So you can directly go ahead and click on open store here, or you can simply just go to Microsoft Store down below, then log in with your email. You can see I'm already logged in here, and here you can scroll down to find if you can see Microsoft Defender. If you can't see Microsoft Defender under this store, then head to this search bar and then search for the app by its name, Microsoft Defender, just like that, and then hit on enter to search. And finally, you can see we have our Microsoft Defender app here. It is available for free, so you can see it is a free app. Go ahead and click on it, and here you'll be able to see the details for this. Now to get it, go ahead and just click on get it or install here, and this will go ahead and get the files ready and then download it. As you can see, here is the file size and the download is on. Once the download is done, now this program will be active on your computer, and your computer will be protected even if you are online. So that's how you can download and install Microsoft Defender on your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.